Hello everybody, how are you doing? I'm Janice. I'm at the Creation Guild and I am here to tell you about the new Painting the Energy of Mandalas workshop that I am beginning to give to you. So our very first mandala workshop will be on September 22nd. That is a Sunday, so it is a full day workshop. And we are going to be painting our own mandalas. And I don't want you to be scared when you look at this, because this was a process of layers upon layers upon layers of painting. And it is actually a really easy process. So I'm going to walk you through step by step. You don't need any painting experience. What this is a beautiful meditative art journey into creating a mandala. So we are going to create sacred space. I am going to take you on a meditative journey to help you get super clear on what the feelings are that you want more of in your life. What do you want to create more of? And then we are going to layer those intentions into your painting through a shamanic process. So it is a beautiful process of infusing your intentions into the layers of your paintings. So maybe some of you have done vision boards before, or maybe some of you have done my Dream Mandala courses before. So we have, in the past, we've done Dream Mandalas on paper, which turned out really beautiful. We had a lot of fun with them. They're very powerful. It's that creative flow while you are putting your intentions out there to the universe, and you are hanging on to those feelings, and that's the sweet spot, is those feelings and being in the creative flow when you are creating in your own life. So no matter what it is that you want to create, this process of being in the creative flow all day and dwelling in those feelings that you want to create in a beautiful sacred space where we pull in powerful energies and make our intention very clear to the universe. So it's going to be a really great day, and I hope you can join me. Lots of people bring their own sacred items, their own crystals, or maybe a cross or an angel statue, whatever it is that they have. They bring them to these painting workshops and put them in their space so that it creates even more powerful energy for you. So our workshop begins September 22nd, 9:30 in the morning till 4:30 in the afternoon. It is, I supply everything, and I'm going to give you lunch too. I'm going to make, set out sandwiches and some coffee and tea and drinks for us. And we'll have a wonderful day together of beautiful painting and listening to beautiful music and chatting and getting clear on your intentions. So I hope you can join me. It's in my website now, and I'll put the link in here. But it is at thecreationguild.com under the events section. So you can take a look there. I also have my Dream Mandala courses in there. So if you are too far away, but you would love to know how to create something like this, then the course is in there too. So you can take that online course. What else can I tell you? Well, we're going to be at the Creation Guild, so it's Central Alberta, and it is about 50 minutes from Calgary, north of Calgary, about 30 minutes south of Red Deer. Easy access right off the QE2, so you'll be able to find us very easily. And it's a beautiful space in the country. Hopefully we'll have a beautiful fall day, sunny. We'll see. And if you have any other questions, just give me a call. There's